Hi guys, so I use Blonde products. I'm going to show you how to curl your hair using a straightener. You take a section about 1 inch, you start at the root, you twist the straightener 360, you go all the way to the end, you drop it, and there's your curl. Show you another one. I'll do a longer strand so you guys can see. About 1 inch, complete 360, all the way down. There's your curl. Thanks guys. So I always curl towards the back of my hair, 360 down. I just like the way this way looks better. You can do it either way, but I always twist towards the back of my hair